Hey everyone, welcome back. In the first video, we talked about the difference between React and React Native, and today we'll be actually creating our first Expo project. And the project we will be creating is the one I talked about last time. It is a field inspection app. Think of a simple app which, if someone is working on site, they need to fill forms, save notes, and even when the data in the internet is not there, they can still work and it will sync later when the data is online. And we will add scanner to that, also barcode scanning, many things, but we will focus on that later. Today we will just creating the Expo app and seeing what are the basic files it gives us, and we will be we will run the project on Expo Go on both an iOS simulator, also on the Android phone. So yeah, let's start. So the command we will run is npx create expo app latest, the FieldOps template blank. What template blank does is basically it will create a blank project. If we don't use this, Expo will gives us like many files already created, uh, pages, routes, already many things will be there, but we don't want that. For the sake of learning, we will use a very blank project. It will have JS, and it will have only two files which we care about at this moment. So yeah, let's run it. And for sake of learning, in Expo we will use Expo 54 because that is the only version which is available on Android. So we will use that. We will update this later if we want, but for now this is fine. So let's wait. It won't take much time. It will create a blank project, and as soon as it's done, I will see you then. So it is done. As you can see, it is showing us some commands. We'll only focus on the first one, the cd one, cd field of app, and we will do code dot. It will run the app in the editor of your choice. I'm using cursor. If you're using VS Code or anything, it's just fine. So there are two main files which we need to talk about, which is app.js and app.json. So basically app.js is the main file which everything our code will live here. We will have folders too, but this is basically what we see when we open the app. We'll see this line, and you will see we have text and view and status bar. Status bar is very easy. It is just the top bar which we'll see in the iOS and Android phones which have battery, timer, the time it shows, and also the Wi-Fi connection. Every phone has it, and it is shows on the app too. If you don't add this, it will override the status bar, and will not show the anything, like not the battery, no status bar. It will not show that. The view components basically what we use in web development, which is a div tag. It basically acts like that. And the text one is basically like very simple. When we use p or span in web development, we only can wrap text in this text component which React Native gives us. Also you can see we have styles. uh, Styles in React Native is like different from web development because we don't create CSS files. We create style objects, and we can use them like this. If we create anything like text, like AI will help me, sorry, text color black, and we can simply like this add styles. But we will not do this in this project. We will use Tailwind. In this I will show you how to install Tailwind too. You can use this, it's up to you. It's good to know that React Native gives us, but we will use Tailwind because I'm more comfortable in that. And yeah, the next file we will talk about is app.json. The only thing I can say right now without making it too complicated is all the app uh, main data lives here, the main configuration lives here. We will configure the splash screen, the anything like the versioning of the app, the name of the app, the team IDs, everything will live here. Any experimental things which we will add will live here. We don't have to worry about it right now, but this is the most important file which we will use in this coming project. So right now. The only thing I want you to remember is the view tag is for layout, so text is for writing text, and app.json file is basically where all the app config lives. So next, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And thank you for watching. In the next video, I will show you how to open the app on Expo Go in both iOS simulator, also on Android. Thank you.